So for the stairs, we're going to create a line starting here. Okay. Starting here, so it's aligned to the glass, and then offset this. Okay. By how much? 250. Yes. 250. There you go. So I'm going to create a line starting here. Okay. So the line should be aligned to the glass. Okay. Now, and then I'm going to trim TR space bar, trim this, trim that, and make sure you erase the excesses. Okay. So erase this and erase that. Okay. Next. So I have this line. Now, but this stairs, flight of stairs is only 110 or 100, 1100 width. So, I'm going to offset by 1100. Okay, offset this by 1100 to that point, and offset this by 1100 as well. Okay, there you go. And then maybe, so sometimes you don't have to keep trimming immediately. Maybe you leave that as your guideline for now. And then let me just offset by 250. That's the size of the stairs. And here, I might want to trim. Okay, so earlier I didn't want to trim, but now I can trim, so I can trim at least those two. Okay? Or another way, so let's not trim for now. Another way is I can offset by 250. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think 7, right? That's so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to the landing. Okay. So there you go. And then I think this is the best time to trim. Now that I have that, or maybe I'll do this first. So I'll draw a line starting here, anywhere here. So maybe starting there, and maybe up to here. Okay, and draw another. Oops, or maybe instead of doing it that way, maybe start a line from here, go here, create that jagged look, and then go back. Okay. And then it's better to trim when you have all these lines done, because with just one trim, like selecting this using the crossing option, oops, sorry, trim, enter, or spacebar, I'm able to trim that in one click. Okay, let me do that again. Right, trim, spacebar. I'll click here. I will not touch any line, and do a crossing, and it trims all of those. I can actually do that here, and it trims all of those, and do that here. Trim all of those. Do it here. Just a second. Yep. Trim this. And trim that. Okay. And then erase this. So sometimes, if you have a line and there's an excess, you want to trim immediately. Maybe you want to hold on trimming, and trim when you've already done the whole drawing or that portion, and then start trimming, so that you don't have to keep going back to the trim command each time. Okay, so trim, do the lines, and then do the trimming. Okay. Next, I'm going to draw a line here from the middle. This will be the path of my stairs, right? The arrow. So I'm just going to start maybe here, maybe somewhere here, and then I'm going to maybe draw another line from here to there, and I'm going to draw my arc. Center, start, end. So center, start, end. Okay, I'm going to trim that excess. Okay, and then I can now erase this, and then I can draw a line and draw an arrow. Okay, so draw my arrow, and then I can place there the up sign later. Okay, so kindly do that. I'm going to answer questions.